Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you had a nice weekend. Today we're going to talk about residuals. Now, what residuals are, they are the difference between the actual value in the scatter plot and how far away it is from your prediction, which is on your line of best fit. So it's a very simple mathematical operation. So as you can tell here, I have data A and B, and these triangles are my actual data plots. And these blue spots on my line of best fit are my predicted values. So the distance here between your purple diamond and your blue circle, that is what your residual is, which is how far off your prediction is from the actual value that you're looking at. So it has a very simple formula that, as you can tell, simply reads as RAP. And that is residual is equal to the actual value minus your prediction value, which is that value on the line of best fit. So when we're looking here at our D1, we're simply going to subtract our actual value from our residual value. So from our prediction value. So here for D1, our actual value is 2, and we're going to subtract our prediction value, which is 1.5. That gives us a residual of 0.5. Easy enough. For our second spot here, our actual value is 1, and we're going to subtract from that 2.1, and that gives us a residual of negative 1.1. For D3, an actual value of 3.5 minus our prediction, which is the value of that point on the line of best fit, which is 2.8, and that gives us a residual of 0.7. D4 has an actual value of 3 minus the prediction value of 3.5, which gives us a residual of negative 0.5. So we take these residuals, and now we're going to plot those on a coordinate grid. So our D1 had a residual of 0.5. So here at the first point, we have a spot at 0.5. D2 was negative 1.1. D3 was 0.7. D4 was negative 0.5. And D5 was negative 0.25. So this right here is what we call our residual plot. So what we do is we take a look at that residual plot, which is how far away ours were from our actual prediction. And we can look at the shape of this residual plot and see whether or not our line of best fit is a good predictor of our values. Was it close if we use that to accurately estimate the future value? So there are 3 options that you can run into. The first is the one that we're looking for that look like for our data, where they're all over the place. There's no pattern. And if this is what you're looking for, then it's perfect. That's what we want. This tells you that your line of best fit is a good match for your data, and you can go ahead and use that as a good predictor. However, there's 2 situations that we look at when we look at those residual plots and we go, oh, the line of best fit isn't right. Maybe we should be using a parabola of best fit or an exponential growth of best fit. And that's if you look and you plot those residual points and it forms a U shape. That means that the line of best fit is not a good predictor of your data. Or if you see an inverted U shape like this, then also that's not a good choice for your data. And that's basically about it. We're looking for residuals. How far are they away? They are from your original data. So your word of the day today is water bottle. I hope you guys are staying hydrated. Have a great week.